You got a fart? Flashing my neighbors every day. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're actually going to be visiting our townhome. We're just waiting for it to get built. So it was supposed to be done by February, March, but now it got pushed back to mid-May, and so I just wanted to give like a progress update because I have a lot of family members who ask about kind of the status on the home, and I just thought it would be fun to just film a little video. Oh, and be sure to like and subscribe and follow for more house moving content and content on married life. Yeah, it's really fun. It's great. It's amazing. Hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more. Hello? Hello? Welcome to our house. This is it. So this is the front of our house. This is the back side of our house. This is our driveway. This will be Tony's man cave because it's partially underground. He can be as loud as he wants and just be far away from me. But you know, he'll still have some sunlight. He'll still have some opportunities to see life outside. Hello, hello. So you know, you won't be too much of a prisoner down here. How do you feel about this being your man cave?
It's perfect.
And this is bathroom. This is a huge closet where we'll probably store a lot of like our seasonal stuff. So this is our main level. This is our front door. You'll be able to come in and go this way, please. This is our dining area. Who did this? So you know, we'll be sitting in our big table, eating, waiting, saying hello to our neighbors. This is our kitchen island. This is where our sink will be, you know, washing dishes. How's the lighting in here?
It's pretty good.
This entire wall is basically our cabinetry. This is probably where our oven and stovetop is. This is like where our fridge will be. And then come this way. This is our living area. That's our fireplace. So we'll have our TV here. There's an electric fireplace here. And then you know we'll have our couch here, watching TV. And then this will lead to our deck. Our casual deck facing the deck of our neighbors. It'll be lovely. It'll be lovely. This will be our bathroom. I think this is the sink. This is our toilet. Papa squat. Do your business. And let's go to the upstairs. Oh, this is our pantry. Have all of our snacks. Yep. These are the two guest rooms. It's a very small, wow, this room is tiny. This will probably have to be my office. You know, working. Hello, waving to our neighbors. Hello. And then this will be the other guest bedroom / my closet. So we'll have a bed probably here. Oh, cool. Look at all the wiring. Closet, la-di-da-di-da. And then this is the guest bathroom. The sinks will be here. No, sink here. Another toilet here. Our bathtub here. Linen closet here. And if you come on this way, welcome, welcome, welcome laundry room. Washer dryer, this situation right here. Some more shelving and whatnot. And then this is our master bedroom. Hello and welcome. Really nice. It's not too loud from the traffic. And then if we enter through here, oh, hey, they raised the window.
Oh yeah, they did.
This is our bathroom, so it'll be like a double sink, dual sink vanity. And this is our humongous shower. Oh my God, thank the Lord. So we thought originally the window was gonna start here. So if I'm showering, hello, you see these. And it's like gonna be like flashing my neighbors every day. But nice, he raised it. So yes, this is our shower. La-di-da-di-da. Oh, this jacket is always here. I should leave him a note saying, please take care of our house. And this is our water closet. And then this is our actual closet, which is tiny. So my current season wardrobe will be here. And then the other two closets will have my more seasonal outfits. And then Tony's stuff will just be downstairs. So that's pretty much it. That is our house. It is all coming together, slowly but surely. And then this area is a random nook. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but hey. So yes, thank you for coming on our home tour. We just wanted to show you guys a little glimpse of what the construction process is like, what it looks like before your house is completely done. Like, we're in the stage of, they have like the framing done and they have like the mechanical stuff done, and they just need to get that inspected. And then once they get that inspected, they're gonna be adding up the drywalls, so it'll actually look like there's walls in the place. So it is pretty crazy. We are eager to move, so stay tuned. We'll give you guys an update when there are some good updates to show. And until then, thanks for watching, everyone. Say thank you. Say thank you and bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Be sure to like and subscribe, y'all.